Kyle Sharkey, President of Process Control Automation.
Joel Steinbrecher, Vice President, Process Control Automation.
Jamie Hudson, Director of Business Development, PCA.
PCA is a OEM that specializes in palletizing, case packing, and conveyor systems.
We manufacture everything in-house here in Green Bay, Wisconsin, US made.
We're young, we're hungry, we're producing a good product, and that's the reason I came over here, and I believe these guys want to do the best they can.
But I'm super proud of PCA and what we've kind of accomplished in the short period that we've been, we were established in 2019 and only been in a 6-year stint. We are now building a lot of our own equipment.
Our systems are all designed, built in-house here, from the conveyors to the brackets that hold the sensor.
It's very satisfying to see kind of the progression we've taken thus far, and it's exciting to see where we're going to be in the next decade.